Look, as I said in my original unboxing video, the Tab S9 Ultra is probably the best gaming and media consumption device available in the market. Just big, beautiful screen, almost bezel-less display. It's hard to beat. However, as light and as durable and as thin as this tablet is, you're not going to be one holding it all the time while you're watching Netflix or Disney Plus or whatever. So you're going to need to get yourself a case, preferably a case with a stand. Now, unfortunately, expensive devices usually mean expensive cases, because that's just the way it is. They assume you got more money for the device, they assume you got more money for accessories as well. So first party cases are quite expensive. I picked up this one off Amazon. This is the JETech protective case. JETech, I'm guessing, or JETech, maybe it's French, I don't know. This is a Trifold case with front and back cover. Let's stick this on and see how it fits. So it feels fairly nice. It's quite rubberized with a soft touch kind of microfiber finish on the inside with some JETech branding there as well. Product warranty card. So there's warranty. Woohoo! Move that to one side, and it's got like a opaque black plastic shell for the back. You can see there's a cutout there as well for cameras and for the S Pen. Just clips on nicely, nice and secure, nice and snug. I like that. And apparently it has a sleep wake feature as well. So if we open that up, it wakes up. We close it, and it goes back to sleep. Nice, okay, I like that. So the way it stands is by folding it 3 ways. Ooh. Well, it should do. So you fold it, and then fold it back on itself. There we go. You can see there, it stands up. That's the angle that it stands on. Not ideal, because if you're watching something lying down, you want it to be more like this than like that, but it is what it is. It looks pretty stable, pretty solid. Fairly happy with that. All works well. You knock it, there's a little bit of a wobble, but you're not going to knock it over by selecting a show on Netflix or anything. You see, you can swipe through. You can start up some Rick and Morty.
I'm innocent! I didn't release those bees! I love Jerry! What did I just say? What?
Beautiful. So there you go. I mean, it looks like it's still pretty thin. Obviously not as thin as it was pre-case, of course. My main concern with tablets like this, with cases like this, is you might get some sand or dust or something stuck in the microfiber here, and when you close it, of course it rests on the tablet, may cause some scratches, so just be wary of that. But that is the same with most cover cases, to be honest. Just be a bit wary. Just make sure you give it a wipe down before you stand it back up. And obviously wipe the surface that you put it on first as well, just to make sure. Other than that, there you go. Pretty straightforward case. Again, it is the JETech case, and I will leave a link to buy it. It'll be an affiliate link in the description below. So if you do want to support the channel, please do click that link and give the video a thumbs up as well. And subscribe if you want to see more on the Tab S9 Ultra and on other Samsung products at the moment. There's quite a few on the Galaxy Watch, as well as the Fold 5 coming soon. So thank you. I appreciate you watching. Have a good day. Bye.